Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to talk about the importance of audio quality in videos and how having a good microphone can make all the difference. As content creators we often spend a lot of time taking that perfect shot, but we often overlook the fact that audio also matters. Whether you're making vlogs, tutorials or any other type of video, having clear and high quality audio will always help you grasp more attention of your audience and may increase your watch time as well. And that's why I am here with this new product, which is Digitek DWM-002, which is a wireless and budget friendly microphone that comes from Digitek, and I got it from Amazon. So let's get straight into the video and let's start the unboxing. At the end of this video I'll also be sharing some sample clips so that you get to know how this product actually sounds like, so that you can judge on your own. So let's jump straight into the video. Jumping into the unboxing then, I can see this is a well packaged box with some plastic film over it, as usual with digital products. So let me try to open it up. This is a very sturdy packaging with the heat treatment done for this plastic film. Quite tough to remove it, but yeah, let me just peel it apart, and some details I can see on the back of this box. But yeah, okay, let me remove it first. Okay, so yeah, almost on the three sides there is image of the mic, how it looks, and on the back side there is some detail about this packaging, some pricing as well. So I looked for it in the local market and it was quite expensive as compared to what I got it for from Amazon later. So I would suggest you go for Amazon only, or any e-commerce site for that purpose. So okay, let's just open it up, and it is a very minimal setup. I can see that there's one box and the actual component, like two components are there. One is this. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, my OCD is kicking in, sorry for that guys. So yep, moving on to this, and I see this is the lightning port, which goes into, this is basically the transmitter that goes into the iPhone charging port and acts as a transmitter. So they also provide one pouch for keeping the mic, I think, and the charging cable also. And this box, I think it has the charging cable itself. So as I remember, it had the type C charging cable, USB A to USB type C, and yes, that's correct. So that is a good thing now. Now I think mostly all the products are coming with type C cables only these days. And coming to the main part, so this is that clingy thing, that main microphone that you will be attaching to your t-shirts or any sort of clothing. And there is one power button, because this one has its own battery and this gets charged, but the other one does not. Other one just acts as a transmitter as soon as you put inside the phone. And there is one more thing at the end of this box, and that is this user manual. It should be at the very top, but they have provided it at the very last, and it's of no use because no one reads it. So guys, that was the unboxing part, and as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, that I will be sharing some sample clips with you so that you can judge yourself how good of a mic this is and how it performs in the real world. So here are the sample clips. So guys, I'm out here for the testing of this mic, and as you can hear all the voices like the vehicles going on, and there are some birds chirping. I'm not sure if you are able to hear my voice clearly because there is quite some distance between the camera and me right now, but this is how the normal conventional mics on your iPhones, or rather any phone for that matter, sounds like. So now let me add the next clip in which I'll be using this Digitek microphone. So guys, now you'll hear there are some people coming on with their scooties, and I'm not sure if this mic has cancelled out the noise that engine was creating. So I was trying this mic on here earlier, but the sound was getting way too much isolated at that place, so I moved it here on my sleeve. So now you can tell the difference, if it is of any difference from what it was without the mic and now with the microphone. So this is mostly how it sounds like in outer environment. So guys, right now I'm riding as a pillion on motorcycle, and you can tell the amount of noise you are getting right now because of the stock microphone of the iPhone right now, and I'm pretty sure my voice will not be much audible at this point in time. So now let me put on the Digitek microphone into my phone and then let's see the difference. So same conditions but with the Digitek microphone, and there are some horns ongoing and there is some wind definitely since I'm riding right now. So this is the major difference that you are seeing right now with the microphone of Digitek and with stock iPhone. Alright, so that was mostly everything about this microphone from Digitek, and now let's move on to the final verdict of what I think how good this mic actually is. In my opinion, this microphone performs really well looking at the price point that it comes at. It is a budget-friendly microphone and it performs accordingly. Talking about the sound quality, I would say it performs really well if you want more of an isolated kind of environment and don't want your audience to immerse into the surroundings. And as you might have already felt in the sample video, this definitely alters the human voice to some extent and makes it somewhat awkward. And if I talk about the range of the transmitter, then it's pretty decent. I have tried this with around 100 meters of distance from the transmitter and there were no audio drops and it was still performing fine. Talking about the pricing then, initially I was looking for it in my local mobile market as I mentioned earlier as well. But I was getting it at around 1700 Indian rupees over there. So I looked it up on Amazon and I got it at around 1100 bucks, which is pretty decent, and it gets even lower during the sale time. So overall, I would say I'm pretty much satisfied with this product, majorly because of the price point that it comes at. So if you're looking for a good microphone for your mobile phone, but you are tight on budget, so probably this is the best thing to go for. So that was mostly everything about this product. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then drop a comment below and do like, share and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.